Good luck, communications. Okay. So now we got some tension. What are we going to do now?
We're going to go check out the point.
That's right.
All right. How am I doing?
You're doing great. Woo!
Okay, so you're comfortable with that? Yep. As you're walking, kind of check your rope. Make sure there's no frays, no broken strands. It's a good, safe way that if there is something, you know what to kind of watch for.
Yep, gotcha. All right. You standing there?
Okay, I'm going to step back while you do this. So we're going to winch in. Keep tension on the brake.
Good?
So double check, make sure everybody has it in neutral.
Yes, I did already. You're good?
Okay. All right, we're getting tension.
A lot of tension there.
Yes, sir. See how much it took before that Gladiator started rolling? We're rolling now.
What's that?
So now we're rolling, but it took a lot before we got there, didn't it?
Oh, it sure did.
See how much that thing stretched?
Oh, yeah.
So this is why it's a good idea to usually at full length pre-stretch it periodically. Okay, let's go a little more.
One more?
Okay, we're going to call that good there, so we're going to stop. Now we're going to winch out and put the slack on the ground. Okay, now everybody put them in park. So park. Mike, remember, communicate to everybody, make sure everybody's clear. Remember, you got to check both sides too. Make sure the gentlemen over there are far off enough back too.
You in neutral? I'm in neutral. Put on the brake. Park the brake and fly.
Okay, we're going to step back over here. We got somebody coming down the road. So, Mike, as we're doing this, we got somebody coming down the road. When they come by, let's stop, give them a minute to pass, so that way we don't have any chance of something breaking if it were in a real recovery scenario. So let's go ahead and get tension. Did I give you a minute to check it? We're going to get some tension, Mike, and check them? Oh, yeah, you got to reconnect it.
Just kind of watch your feet and make sure
Okay, so what are we doing here, Mike?
Is everybody clear? Go check the shackle, make sure it's buckled up right.
Okay.
Go ahead, get it ready. See if we can't get you out of here.
Okay, so we're pulling on the knot side. Good, good.
The lines are good. Okay, there's no brace.
Good, good. Okay.
Alright, just keep your foot on the brake. I'm gonna start pulling you in.
All right, you're happy with that? All right.
You usually keep your foot on the brake.
Yep. Got good tension. Good. Okay, it's a good stop. So at this point here, you'd stop, you'd walk up there and kind of check your line, make sure everything looks good.
You know how scared I was. You saved me. And I promise you, when this situation happens, like we're up on that.
Good?
I think I had more composure than he did. He's like, get out. Like, right now, wake her up. We gotta get her out.
Check the connection point.
Well, you gotta get tension first, because when you put it under tension, things could shift.
Okay, right here.
Okay. So make sure you check your rope as you walk by. Make sure there's no nicks or frays that could be a potential problem. Looking good.
You want to be that close?
He can for watching it in this case that we're doing, but in a real life, he would want to be a little farther back. Okay, let's step back, kind of like if it was real and he were stuck. There you go.
So it's looking a little funky right.
So what do we got here? Okay, so you can just take, I should have gloves on. So with your gloves, just take and kind of bump it over, so give it a little slack in. Here, pull this in this way, give him some slack. There you go, now you can bump it over. Push it to where you're comfortable with. There you, yep. And then push it up against that, there we go. Now you pull it right here, get a little tension. All right, so hold tension right, there you go. Now, right, there you go. You can't have gloves on like I did, so I'm trying to be careful here. There you go, just like that.
Is that okay? Having
Yeah,
that big
because,
space?
yeah, remember we had that bottom down here that's offset, so this is gonna fall right in now.
Okay.
So this is gonna be okay right here. Just keep a watch on it. If it starts getting off a little bit, then we can readjust it. Yep, so come on in. Okay, so she's walking through this. You guys are gonna watch as she goes through the holes. So the whole idea is to stay as centered as possible through these holes and let it articulate. There you go. There we go. Come back driver just a little bit. There you go. See how that back end's articulating? There we go. Come driver just a little. There we go. All right, see right here? This wheel's spinning. That's up off the ground right now. The rear's articulated at its level. So she's gonna back up just a little bit.
Just wondering, would she put on the locker from here?
Yeah, she could put on the locker right here, but right here, we can give a little more momentum because we're gonna have a few more holes. So this is one of those points, a little momentum and a little foot with the brake and the gas. A little foot on the brake and the gas at once. I know, we're gonna get you out of your comfort zone here. See how it started putting torque over to the other side? With a little bit of brake, it helped do that. It does work really well for that with the open differential till we engage the locker here in a minute. So we're going to get in some big holes here. All right, easy. There we go. Okay. Just like you're doing, you got a good line. Oh yeah. So right here, hold up. So see right here, see how this wheel fully spins?
Yep.
So this is at full articulations. It's gonna just spin. This is a point where she could engage her locker and it'll make even on both rear tires. So can you engage the locker? Okay. So now she's gonna give a little bit of throttle and you're gonna watch that other tire take over and walk her right in. Now she's gonna come over here to the driver just a little bit. Okay, so hold right there. Oh, so why don't y'all come up here? Okay, hold right there, Haley. Would somebody mind holding this for me and just kind of recording as I'm doing this? Okay, so Haley, when you come up, have you done this obstacle before?
I have not.
Mike, have you done this obstacle before? Okay,
Go high.
so as you come into this, you're going to kind of point passenger, stay as high on the wall as you can. Come back driver just a little. There we go. So right now that back tire is lifting off the ground. Okay, let's hold. A little more. Right there, let's hold that. So we're going to see what she's at right now. So she's at about 26 degrees off camber right now. So let's check the rear. Sometimes the rear will be a little different than the front. Yeah, the rear is about 26, 27. Hey, let's go forward just a little more. Come back passenger driver just a little bit, sorry. Okay, right there. Okay, you should still be pretty similar. I think it's still about the same. And we got a little more, we got 27. So in a scenario like this, if you're on this situation and also the vehicle decides to slide, what's the one thing you'd like to do or you want to do whenever this happens?
So the vehicle slides.
Yep, if it's going to slide,
Steer downhill.
you steer downhill and accelerate with it, okay?
We turn left.
So, Mike, watch out. So, Hayden, when you come in, I want you to aim for the low spot right there where Mike just stepped. Accelerate and get that feel of how it feels when the whole vehicle just kind of dips and goes with it. Ready? Go, go, go. Come on. There we go. All right. Appreciate that. Come back to driver. There we go. All right, where'd our little buddy go? Is he up in there somewhere? All right, you're good. Come on, David. Okay. Looking good. I didn't want to step on our tarantula buddy over here. So. All right, so you kind of feel how it felt right now?
Yep.
So now I want you to take and disconnect your sway bar here. This is a kind of a good semi-flat spot. Nope, should be good now. So now you're going to feel how this is going to articulate a little different right here with no sway bar. Well, it's there, but it's not connected. So y'all watch how the front end will actually articulate a little better here. You all right?
Oh yeah.
All right, come back, driver. There we go. See how the front feels a little bouncier?
Oh yeah.
All right, come back, driver. There we go. Okay, real easy. Okay, we're fixing to start hitting these holes here.
I'm looking for the spider.
Yeah, we had one of the tarantula up here. He's over there in the grass, I see him.
Okay, well, we made it.
Okay, so now you're fixing to hit the first big hole. Yep. Right there. See how he's got this tire lifted? The traction control system's taking care of itself. All right, so keep coming forward. Come back, driver. Here we go.
But is that on automatically or that was?
Yes, it's automatic with the A-Track with the Toyota that's done automatic on it. So keep coming forward and turn, driver. Okay, right there, hold that. Let's see.
How we doing?
Nope, this one won't bounce enough yet. I was gonna see if I could get it to bounce. Come forward just a little more, let's see.
I think you have to go backwards.
Yeah. See, let's back up just with. I took mine all the way to the top.
You said if it's at the top, it's at 30.
You hit right around 30 to 36, depending on the vehicle. So, passenger, climb on the wall. Keep going, keep going. There we go, come back a little bit. Keep there, keep there. All right. Your rear is kind of down low, so you're probably not as high as the other. There you go. Keep that line, keep that.
That line.
Yes, sir.
Going?
Keep going. Now start coming this way just a little bit. Okay, right there. We're gonna hold that. Somebody want to get that inclinometer on the bumper, and I'll check the front. There, right here. So, when you set it on there, so this is plastic. So you're gonna set it like this, and read your degrees. So we got 25 on the rear bumper. So on the front, we got about 26. So pretty stable. I think the wall's actually tamed down a little bit. So just like Haley did, you know, think of you kind of in a sliding scenario. So you're going to cut driver and accelerate coming down the hill. When that happens, just to kind of get the front end down below the rear, so you're less likely to slide off. So come on through. Little acceleration. There we go. All right, so David, if you want to situate, turn around and pull back up that way, we'll get you back in line. Is your sway bar disconnected or is it connected? We'll go one more round up. Okay, slow down, slow down. Woo, you are going. All right, so right up here, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect your sway bar. Yes, sir. It may not disconnect yet because it's slightly under load. So kind of roll forward real easy. Yeah, so roll forward real easy. Did you? Oh, okay. Yeah, so did it disconnect now? It's trying. Roll forward. Raise it right.
Oh, there we are, yes. It's not blinking.
Okay, there we go. I heard it. So see how much more his front's already starting to articulate here? And this is where you're going to see a difference in the IFS of the first two and a solid axle on the Jeep here. Yeah. This is where, like I say, if you're going to hardcore rock crawl, you can't beat solid axle. I mean, it's the way that they articulate. All right, so. Oh, yeah. Well, in IFS, on-road drivability is hard to beat. All right, nice and easy, Clint. Come back driver as you're coming in. So see, with his articulation and suspension. Yes, sir. See, I don't think he picked a tire one. But he's got a good setup, good suspension and tires. Yep.
Make a lot of changes to get that tire to droop.
Yeah, so I barely droop with my 4Runner through this. But long travel rear and extended travel front makes a difference. So Clint, stay passenger as far up on the wall as you can. There you go, come back driver just a little bit. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so hold that right there.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, so right here we hit 30, 34 up here. 34 in the back as well. So see the difference of the 26 compared to 34? That 10 degrees almost is a huge difference. It does almost, doesn't it? And so this right here, this rooftop tent's actually attached with the cargo box over the bed. So it actually helps kind of keep some of the weight from being quite as high.
Yeah.
But it's still got some weight to it.
Would this
So-
make it more prone to like tipping over just that much, or?
No, it's just he's higher up on the wall. So, all right. So Clint, when you come down, like we were talking about, you know, like if it was going to be sliding, so I want you to accelerate and turn downhill. You're going to kind of cut up into here. There we go. There we go. There we are. I'll start coming through. So his has a sway bar disconnect. So up here in a minute, we're going to get them articulated and have them disconnected, and y'all can see how it'll shift.
Difference between what I know.
Yep. So, you know, the Jeep had solid axles, and he's got the lift on it. So we're going to see how the IFS picks tires up again. Easy, easy. So the traction control systems work best around 1500 to 2000 RPM. They have them built in. Once you get past it, they automatically kick out, and the vehicle's going to let you do it yourself. There we go. Okay. See if we get that tire to pick up here in a minute, and then we'll, where I get that rear tire picked up, that's when we'll do it.
There it is there.
Yeah, we got one more. I think this next one will get better. Come back, driver, just a little bit. Yeah, I think this next hole will be the best one. So hold that line right there straight. Okay, it's climbing. Okay. No, I'm trying to get him in a good spot. Okay, go back, passenger. We're gonna have to put you in a funny spot here, so keep going, passenger.
Like, that's a good line right there. You can see.
All right, come back, driver. Here we go.
He's up on that side.
Right here. Okay. So I want you to disconnect the sway bar. See how that changed that?
Oh, nice.
Now, with it disconnected, he cannot reconnect yet till he gets back to flatter ground. If he sets it to reconnect, it'll do it as soon as it gets in the right positioning. But you see how that completely shifted this front end and brought the rear down. That's where the sway bar and IFS disconnected helps out a lot to get the tire back in place, because that tire was a good ways up, and we just came back down probably a good 6-8 inches. So, all right, Steven, you ready to move up there? We'll go do the wall. All right, easy. Let the traction do itself. Okay, you got your locker?
I was going to do that. I was going to try the brake.
Yep, try the brake. Go for it. It's a good time to. The great thing about the test track, this was a good spot to learn. See how it did that on it for you? That was a good job on the 2 foot there. All right, so we'll go up here to the wall. You think you're going to beat Clint's number? All right, Mike, you got the other inclinometer? Let me see the front here. As high as up as you're comfortable with. It looks like Clint was almost at the top, so. Yep. Driver, just a little bit. There we go. Come forward. There we go. There we go. Keep that. Keep that. Okay, we're going to hold right there. All right, so what do we got back there? So I got 32 up front, almost 33.
Yeah.
So about the same?
Yes, sir.
So you're close. All right, so Stephen, as you go to turn out, just like the others, remember, turn downhill and accelerate. You're gonna zip in here and then we'll turn you around. See how that feels when it comes down? Kind of has a funny little sway with it, but. So you already disconnected sway bars, right? So with his already disconnected, he's probably not gonna pick up a tire anywhere. But we'll see, because Clint's has a little bit better suspension already on it too.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see tire size makes a difference here. I think, Melvin, are you on 35s? 33s? Okay. Jeeps can be a little deceiving sometimes. So yeah, he may pick up a little bit of wheel. Looking good. There we go. So it's nice and easy. So here's where we're going to really articulate this front. All right, yeah, here we go. You got a little bit of a wheel lift. See how the traction took over? Did you try the little 2-foot Melvin, or did you let it do itself? Yep. There you go.
Be a factor of like the tire size as well.
Yes, the tire size makes a big difference too. Coming by. All right, Melvin, you ready for the wall? All right. So as high as you don't have a lot of high weight, so you can go as high as you want. There you go. Come back, driver, just a little bit. Yeah, your tire's right at the top. There you go. Hold that, hold that. Keep coming. A little more. Right there, I like that. I like that. So we got 30 degrees here. And what does yours show up there?
31.
31, so it's pretty close on yours. 30 in the back there, Mike? Okay, so Melvin, as you get ready to come forward, just like the others, turn down the hill and accelerate, kind of get how that feels as it sways. There you go.